100%.
100%.
You guys come do this. It's amazing.
Wasn't super over my head. Everything was simplified to the point, very detailed in every aspect you could think of with the extensions, with the at-home care versus what we do on our end, how to teach our clients, all of that, pricing, everything.
It was laid out really well. Everything was broken down in ways that I could really understand. I kind of have been teaching myself how to do the extensions, so all of the little tips and tricks were great. Ashley did an amazing job of showing us, taking her time.
I found it. It's amazing. You have to do it. Everything was covered, laid out perfectly. I actually feel like I mastered this. You guys come do this. It's amazing.
Hi, I'm Kelly. So I have no experience with extensions, and I loved the class. I felt like it was so informative. I came in nervous that I didn't have any background in it. A really good balance of what was in the folder in print for me to look at, and then as well as a visual demonstration.
In what we learned as far as starting with the consultation down to how to help educate the client to maintain, down to pricing, the full spectrum it covered, and I feel really confident in all areas.
Able to apply extensions. It covered everything from clients with finer hair to medium coarse hair, and feel way more comfortable with placement, how much hair to use. It was great.
I think I learned a lot because Ashley was just so one-on-one with each person, and because of that, I had so many questions and she answered every single one so thoroughly. So yeah, I think I learned a lot because of the intimacy of the class.
I have all the answers now.